Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this chair cover. As you can see, this beautiful chair cover. It was well sewn and fitted in. So it is removable, and you can also, as you can see, we have an elastic in this place to make it easier for you to remove it. So I'm going to be showing you in a short while how we made this chair cover. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, and I also share, and I believe that you will enjoy everything that we have been doing in this channel. So I will be removing it now for you just to see. You can see. So this is how the chair actually look like. So I'm making this one for a client who actually asked us to do that. So and the person insisted that they want something they can remove and wash. So you can see this is how the chair look like. So we just did a chair cover for the person. I just want to also use this medium to also say that if you also want us to do anything of such for you, you can also leave the message on our comment box, and we'll get back to you. And I also want you to also understand that you can do it by yourself. That is the reason why we are uploading all this video, to make easy things that people feel that it is difficult. Okay, so I will be showing you now the fabric that we use, and I'll also be showing you how we did the sewing. The measurement will be taken, and I will be showing you how we took the measurement. So this is the fabric that we actually used. Okay, it's a very firm and strong fabric. So when you are also using the fabric, be mindful of the fabric that you will be using, the one that you know that it is the fabric that is of your own choice. Okay, so let's go and start directly to how we uh, did the check over. Okay, I'm going to be explaining to you how we took the measurement. Okay, now this is the top of the headrest. We will take the measurement from here to this place. Then we will go down and take the measurement of this backrest. So I'm going to explain to you how we took the measurement of this backrest. As you can see, the backrest area has a triangular shape. You can see the length of this place is a little bit smaller, while the bottom is wider. Because of the triangular shape of the backrest, we are going to be taking the measurement from here to this place. We stop there, and from there we take another measurement down to the bottom, after which we now take the measurement of the sitting area. However, just watch carefully as I will be taking the measurement if you don't understand what I just explained. Okay, so I will be doing it carefully, and you just be attentive of what I am doing. Okay, the first one is the headrest area. The length, as you can see, is 11. Okay, is 11. We are going to put that down. Just have your tape and your pen and paper to write them down. So I'll write the headrest area is 11 centimeter. Backrest measurement from this top, from the top down to this place, is 8.3 centimeter. Okay, so after taking from here to this place, which is 8.3 centimeter, now you now take from here, because of the triangular shape, to this place. Make sure you take it a little bit backward so that we'll have enough space, and again leave an inch for folding. Okay, so now in my own case now it is 13.5 centimeter. Okay, you note it down, 13.5 centimeter. Then from there you take it again. This is where we are doing a full length of the uh, back seat area now, which we have the full length is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter, but we are going to make it 22 for folding and allowance, so that we can be able to fold it and give a little bit of allowance. Now we are going to be measuring the seating area like we did before. In the back area we leave 1 inch. I'll give you the measurement. The measurement is 14 centimeter, so we are going to leave an inch there for folding. Okay, for folding. That is the very first place. Then later we'll come to the button here. You can see that they are not the same measurement. This one is 15. We'll leave an inch for folding as well, and later you just take the 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 length right from the inside. As you can see is 15.5. You also leave an inch. Okay, for folding. Then after doing that, this is just the seating area we just measured now. So we are going to take a measurement of the fabric that will be going around it to cover it up. So for us to get the measurement, we are going to measure it like this. I think you'll be needing the assistant or someone to help you hold it. We just take it around like that, just the way I'm doing it now. So you're going to be taking the measurement of the fabric that will be going around the sitting area. This fabric there. As you can see, you see that they joined this place. They joined this material here, this fabric here, to this fabric on top of the sitting area. Like I did now, you just put your tape there. Let it be a little bit backward, starting from where the rest the back rest is, and leave an inch. Ensure that you leave an inch for sewing and folding, and you take the tape around the bottom of the sitting area, just like the way I'm doing now. Just take it around like that. 49, but ensure that you leave an inch thereabout. It will be 50. Okay, for folding and allowance. Now this is the fabric we are using. Okay, like I said before, this I just want to explain something concerning this fabric. This fabric has two sides. Okay, so what we are doing, we are going to be using this area, this side, that maybe we'll call it the back side. We will be using it for to design the back of the chair, while this one will be the sitting area. Okay, to give it a design, we decided to do that. Okay, cut out the measurement that we did earlier on before we start sewing. So as you can see, we've already cut out the measurement. Now we've already measured it out, so we are going to be cutting it out now. As you can see, this is the back and this is the front area, the back side area, and this is the back of the chair. Okay, so we'll be cutting. Now, I just want us to bring to our attention that we need to also measure from here to here after taking the full length. After taking the full length round from here to this way round to the other side, we are going to also take the length of the fabric. So in this case, we'll be taking from here down to this place, from here to this place 3 centimeter, but we are going to make it 5 centimeter because we are going to fold it. Okay, so at the end of the day, after folding it actually 3 centimeter, you make it 5, then we are going to do a folding, a double folding that will now make it to arrive at that 3 centimeter that we said earlier on. Now we have done with the cutting. So you can see this one is the back of the chair, this one is the front, the front, the front of the chair, and this one is the sitting area. This is the sitting area of the chair. So I'm going to be, before sewing, I will attach them to the chair so that you can see the how we are going to be sewing them round. Okay, so let me just go and attach it to the chair. Okay, as you can see, this is the back of the chair. Like I told you, there's the back of the chair. So we've cut it out, so we left this allowance so that we can fold it inside, and this is the front view of the chair. Okay, so we gave it an allowance so that we can also measure it with this one. We just attach it, we go to the sewing machine, and we are going to sew it like that. Then this one is the sitting area. We are going to sew this one to this one. Okay, then we left allowance time also to fold it, to add it to it. We have allowance here, we have allowance here, so we can have enough allowance to join it together. Now we also have this one to round the chair. Okay, so that's it. So we'll be doing all the attachment together, sewing them together, using the machine to put everything together. So we'll come back when we are done. Now we've already done the sewing, so what is left now is for us to apply. We're going to attach an elastic to this place. Okay, so first of all, we are going to wear it just for us to be sure of what we have been doing, if everything is okay. As you can see, so now we just fix this one like that, just to be sure of what we are doing. Okay, you can see we're almost done. So what is left now is for us to we'll fold all these edges, like I told you, because of the other one. We'll fold all these edges in there like that. Then we'll also fold this one like that and apply an elastic to it so that it can be easy for someone to remove and place back. As you can see, we are finally done with the sewing. So this is the elastic we're talking about. I added an elastic to this place so that it be easy for someone to remove and wash. Okay, so I'm going to be wearing it now. uh, Putting the the chair cover. So as you can see, I'm still the fitting of the chair cover. So that is it. Here is the front view and there is the back view. The same material, we just we turn the back of the material to get this design. Okay, it's the same fabric, the same fabric I showed you, because the fabric has a back and front. So we decided to use the back for the back view and the front for the front view. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Hello guys, as you can see, we've done with the dining table chairs cover. You see how beautiful they are looking. If you don't tell anybody that you did it by yourself, they will actually believe that you bought it. I just want to use this video to encourage each and every one of us, particularly my viewers, that you can do your home decoration yourself. The only thing is just for you to get connected to the people you know that are gifted with the kind of gift you desire. Okay, so please, if you know that you actually learned something from this tutorial class, don't forget to share with your families and friends. And if this is your first time of viewing my videos, please don't forget to thumbs up so that you'll be updated with any video that I'll be uploading. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful time and stay safe. Love you. Bye.